is serum. Today, I'm just gonna talk about sheet mask. And I think when it comes to K-beauty skincare, sheet mask is one of the huge part because so many variety and it's so easy and pretty affordable, so good for souvenir. But the thing is, not many people know how to use the sheet mask well. So today, I'll just gonna show you top 10 mistake of the sheet mask. After watching this video, now you know how to use your face mask 100%. Ready? Let's get started!
I wash my face after I finish my sheet mask. Sheet masks are one of the ways to apply cosmetics.
Is a liquid here, inside, right? The liquid inside here, and just like this kind of serum, are basically same. How the sheet mask works is they put the serum inside and put it on the sheet. And then if you do this on the face, it just like locked down for 15 minutes. So it's just like putting the serum and then staying there for 15 minutes of the spa. So after you do the sheet mask, moving on to the sunscreen, of course, if it's a daytime, and of course, no problem with doing the makeup. And one of the most important thing doing the sheet mask, the time. Please listen to the instruction. Even though you don't read the Korean, let me show you. It's all different brands of the face mask. You can still read the number, right? 10 to 20 minutes right here. And then the other mask, 10 to 20 minutes again. And then 10 to 20 minutes again. I just randomly pick it and then it is 10 to 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, still very, very wet. So it feels like I have to stay more to get more moisturizing, but no way. Because after 20, 30, more than that, or sometimes if you fall asleep in the morning, like the paper sheet and your skin also both are dry. Because while the sheets are getting dry, hydration on your skin hydration also dry together. Okay, say bye after 15 minutes. So one day, one face mask, is that okay for the skin? I tried it also too. For me, for healthy skin, it was okay. But if you have a sensitive skin, oh no. For this serum to get into your skin, they put some of the enhancer on the sheet mask. But that can be a little bit reacting to the sensitive skin. So if you have a sensitive skin, I highly recommend to do it for like twice a week. That would be awesome.
I keep the sheet mask in the fridge. No! It is a product that is to be stored at the room temperature. So if the temperature rises or falls sharply, the ingredients may deteriorate.
If you already put it, you can keep there and then use it. But if you buy the new one, I don't recommend to put it in the fridge.
As soon as I wash up, I just jump into the sheet mask. Wipe your face once with toner and put on a sheet mask. It helps to absorb the serum better on your skin by washing away makeup residue or dust. I finish my skincare with a sheet mask. If you have dry skin or in winter, the serum in the sheet mask may not be enough. You should finish with a moisturizer that seals the serum so that the moisture does not fly away. Store the sheet mask vertically. If you store it vertically, the serum is concentrated at the bottom, so it doesn't stain properly. Before using, lie down and rub it evenly. Throw away the remaining serum. You know that there's a lot of serum left inside even if you use a face mask, right? If you put cotton swab here and rub them, you can also use for the mini face mask. I put it on my neck as a neck mask. Even if the face mask doesn't feel well on my face, I just stick it on. Wipe the scissors with alcohol swab. Cut the nose or chin. Lay them on top of each other and it's the perfect size for your face. If you have too much essence in your face mask, this is another tip. Cut the tip of the mask and put the serum in an empty bottle. It can be used as a body essence. I usually apply it on my neck or elbows.
That's it. How many mistakes did you guys make? Oh my god, this is all my story? Okay. Then you guys are right place to come. From now on, you guys know how to do the sheet mask pretty well, okay? Thank you so much for coming today. Before you leave, wait a moment. Don't forget to subscribe me and then like me. Press the, what was that? Notification bell so you don't miss out the new video. If you guys have any question while doing the skincare, anything you wanted to know about the K-beauty, just let me know. I'll see you guys in our next video. Bye! 안녕!